Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to play multiplayer in Craftsman. To do this, first open Craftsman on your device and tap on play. Tap on create new and then tap on create new world. Scroll down and tap on multiplayer. Make sure this option is enabled and then tap on create. Tap on process. Now go to your friend's phone and connect the same Wi-Fi or same hotspot and then open the Craftsman. Now tap on play and then tap on friends. You will find your friend's name here. Tap on your friend's name. Now you can play together. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.